Today our topic is philanthropy and charity. What is philanthropy and charity? The act of helping others in general and helping the needy with food or clothes or even money is known as charity. The act is also called philanthropy. Whenever anyone undertakes charity, he or she must never expect anything in return for that act. So that is the true charity. Charitable organizations. These charitable organizations are non-government organizations, that is NGOs, and are not for profit. Here, three organizations are discussed. CARE International Confederation. CARE stands for Cooperative for Assistance and Relief Everyone. They conduct well-planned and comprehensive programs in health, education, livelihoods and disaster preparedness and response. Second one is about CRY. CRY stands for Child Relief and You. This NGO was started in 1979, aims to help the underprivileged children. So it was started by the person named called Ripan Kapoor. Third one is AID India, that is Action in Disabilities India. So this is an organization whose primary focus is the welfare of people with physical abilities in rural areas. Rural areas means village areas, and they specially support rural women, children and people with special needs. These NGOs are run for the human welfare and not to get the profit. Here we can have an example for Sir Ratan Tata Trust. So the image shows Ratan Tata. So this trust was set up in 1919. This setup was run by his ancestors. Ratan Tata Trust aims to develop the society through institutional grants in rural areas, education, health, arts and cultures. Since its inception, the trust has disbursed over $60 million towards its commitment. Mother Teresa is an example of such charity. She started an open-air school for slum children in Kolkata and was soon joined by volunteers. She later started the Missionaries of Charity, whose primary task is to love and care for those persons nobody was prepared to look after. She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Today, the organization is spread all over the world and undertakes relief work in the wake of natural disasters, looks after people suffering from AIDS and leprosy. It also takes care for the homeless and alcoholics. So the students we can understand about the charity and philanthropy.